Uh, are we live? Uh, guys, are we live? Uh, alright, okay, well, and we are live. Nice. Okay. Alright, this is good. Alright, so, you might have seen in the title, we are gonna be making a tower defense game in Scratch. Scratch is a coding site where instead of making lines of code with like Python or something, you instead you make it with blocks. And these blocks have one code. Like you can have this Scratch, you can have an event. When flag clicked, it can move 10 steps. It's really simple. Or you can even do it when space key or when the spray is clicked. And it's pretty simple. So, but I'm gonna make a tower defense game. And what is a tower defense game if it doesn't have towers? So I can choose one of these. I could make it BTD if I wanted to, but no. I'm gonna do some cubes. Whoops, not there. I want to make my own. So, I can paint a spray. Now, if I go over here to costumes, I can convert the bitmap. I can zoom in. And now I can make something. So I can I'm gonna start with, actually I'm gonna start with the Eminence. The Emini is gonna be a cube. It's not gonna be too complicated, just a cube going across the map. I'm gonna make the cube, I think green. Yeah, I'm gonna make the cube green. That's gonna fit the vibe, a zombie, the green, that's gonna fit the vibe. There, okay. Now I can select here and I can make it like that. And I can drag it around and center it. But I wanna see I'm probably I'm gonna make it a 5 by 5. So this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I'm just gonna I'm gonna select it and I'm gonna shrink it down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's the Emily. Now I'm gonna select it again, put it in the center. Right. Now that I'm looking at it, it seems pretty small over here. So I'm gonna make it bigger. I'll probably make it, yeah, 7 by 7 sounds good. 7 by 7. There we go. And that's the Emily. I'm not gonna make it too complicated at first. I'm just going to make it simple. And it's pretty simple now. So I can drag it around. So now the Emily, it's just gonna be blindly going on the track. It's blindly going on the map. It needs like something to go on. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna paint it. So first we're gonna have I'm gonna color the whole thing I'm gonna make it all brown, dirt. So I'll just get a brown color. Do not know how to get a brown color. Does that seem brown? That's too dark. Make it a bit brighter. That seem brown? That's too red. is a good color. Alright. That's gonna be the ground. I'm gonna select the whole thing. Drag it to the edge. Right there. Now we have the whole map filled with some dirt. Now we're gonna make the path. It's gonna be a gray path. Yeah, gray path sounds good. How do I make it gray? That's gray. Alright. So it's gonna, the path is gonna start. Actually, I'm gonna put the path over this, you know. I'm gonna put the path over this because, well, I can't see like the dots, you know. Wait, actually, with this I can change the thickness. No, with this I can change the thickness. And I can do this. Wait. I can do. How do I make it straight? Just gotta be precise. Alright. Whatever. Oh, go back to this. Okay. So I'm gonna make it 100 wide, 100 pixels. No. Like, oh, the zombie actually does fit on there. Cool. It's not what I'm working on doing. So, let's see. 100 seems good. 100 seems. Oh, what is this? So I'll just do this. Okay, so do I want to do 100? Yeah, I'll do it. I'll do it. Sounds good. I'm just gonna erase this part. Actually, I can use the fill tool and I can. Damn. Let's go. Thought would I go delete the whole thing? Yeah. Now it's delete. Alright, so convert to bitmap. And I'll make it. And it's gonna be gray. Alright. So start the path off like this. That's not straight. I'll just do this. Start the path off like there. Started the track off. So just to see, the track is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 20 wide. Alright. So 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 20 wide. Now the path is going to go up here. That's good, that's good. Now we can make it more. So, Jassowint. I got no clue how I got here, but good luck, man. Thanks, thanks. Alright. So, I will just do this. So let's see here. 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now I'm gonna make it on the edge right here. Three, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20. Guys, I can count. It's crazy. I can actually count. Did you know that 50% of the population in the world actually can't count? It's crazy, right? I don't know if it's actually, but I don't care. And now the track will go down. And there. Track has been made. Now we can convert to vector. What does it change? No clue. Let's make it brown. Somehow. We can make it brown. Maybe grass, you know. I mean, not grass. I mean dirt. Is that good dirt? That good? Yeah, seems good. Seems good. I forgot that I can't say, like, I can't ask you guys if it looks good because, like, I can, it just, for some reason, I have, like, a ton of latency. Like, I use OBS and I streamed from OBS and I didn't put it, like, so I don't really know. Should I make it grass? Nah. What I will do, though, is I will make more. Wait. Hey, we'll make some, I can make some grass. And I can I make it like this? How do I make it like transparent? This works as transparency. Should I make it like this? Yeah. It has that nice tower defense grass vibe. I'll go. Has the vibe, you know? Has that vibe. When I want to delete something, and what better way is there to delete something than that? Alright. And then grabbing the erase and loading it and then doing this. Alright, no, actually fine. Okay, that's good. So now I can actually code stuff. This guy's gonna be called basic, yeah. Basic. This guy, the track is really big, but that's fine. So he's gonna be going down, like that, and oh no, you took damage. But now, there should be a lives system, Like, what game is there? What tower defense game is there without lives? So, let's make a new spray. Actually, we're gonna go back, and we're gonna make, actually, we can code in the backdrop here. So, when flag clicks, make available, actually, set live, that's the lives to 100. Show available lives. And so when you click flag, you can see we have 100 lives. Make the path a separate sprite so you can make maps. Change it. So Veltrix said make the path a separate sprite so you can make maps. Don't always use change X or change by Y. Just follow the path so you don't have to walk too long for the paths. Okay. That makes sense. Okay, so the backdrop's just gonna be green and then the path. Okay. Hard. That's hard. So go back. So, I'll just erase the path then. Alright. Thanks for the advice. So, don't worry, I will put the backdrop back. It just, first, I'm just gonna delete the path and stuff. Okay. So, fill green and grass. That's not what I'm looking for. Okay, there. Alright, so that's the backdrop now. Now I've got to make a sprite, they said. I'm gonna name the sprite Path. I named the different paths later, but for now, just gonna be this. So path. I'll make the path. Line. Actually, I'll make it 10. I want to see what 10 looks like. No outline. Fill it with Has to have an outline. I see. Kaboom. Line. Great. Alright, so I can make this line like 10 wide, and now it makes it 10 wide line. That is just pure black. I don't want pure black. I want gray. Good. Okay. I can now make it 100. Stop changing that stuff. Okay. That is really big. Oh wait, I can do this. I can do that. Alright. So that is like really big. I don't know if I want to do that. Okay, so no fill, just outline. Oh, that's something. No outline, just fill. Actually, I'm feeling the outline. I have an idea. Because if I do it like this, you can see that does that. So, 100. I can do it like that. Like, let's see. How does that look? Looks fine. Looks fine. So I'm just gonna erase that now and replace and just make the map. Alright. So make the square. Make it down here. Actually, I'll just fill it. I'll do that. Outline. So I'll just shape this. How thick do I want the line? Ew, that's what that does. So wait, if I grab both of these, I can make it shrink. No, not like that. I want to. Okay. Oh yeah, if I can go to bit now. Go to vector, undo, go to bitmap, select. I'm learning. Hi, Foxy Girls. Welcome to the stream. I'm having a good day. What? So, huh? Wait, what? I try to make it to the side. It ain't working. Hey, Trix, how you doing? Welcome to the stream. Hope you're having a good day. Yeah, that's weird. I have no idea why that doesn't work in. Like, huh? Like, bro. Why isn't that working? I don't know. So, does it work now? No. What if I convert it to bitmap? I don't know what I'm doing. Why? You know what? It's fine. It's why won't it work? It should. What if I do it like this? Now does it work? No, it does not work. Change the vector. Now it works. Interesting. This was made in vector. It should work. This is so weird. Okay. You said to erase. Why won't it erase? Save now. I'll refresh. Alright, refresh them. Okay, actually, I'm gonna name it. Tower. No, not tower defense. Scratch defense. It's gonna be scratch tower defense. Yeah, scratch tower defense. Scratch tower defense. So STD. I don't know. Wait, I can just do. I am so stupid. I am so stupid. Oh my god, I'm so dumb. I didn't even know. Why isn't this at the front? It should. It should be at the front. Alright, I'm just gonna plop the enemy over there. I'm gonna plop it over here. Okay. Okay. Well, now I know. Now I know the solution. Modern problems require modern solutions. Hits. Okay. Don't ask what I'm doing with my voice. I have no idea. That's gonna be the start of the path. Now I can copy, paste, rotate. So there's no way to know when you lock it, when the rotate locks. So as you can see here, that's like not rotated right. I think that is. Go up. That's 2 up. Move it down. Alright. Now I can copy. Wait. Making sure it lines up. Nice. Can I make. What part are you doing? Well, the part I'm doing right now, I'm making the map. I'm working on that part. So far I'm doing pretty good. Yeah, you can help. But for now, I'm just doing the map. I don't really, the map is, probably the easiest part, so I probably don't need help at the moment. But you can help later. I push later. So that like when I reply to people, it isn't like instant. Bam, I reply. Bam, I reply. Because for some reason, like there's a lot of latency, which means that there's a delay. So, like I see the messages. Yeah, I see the messages, but I don't. But it doesn't really appear. But it. I don't. You don't get to. I don't respond because of latency. I don't respond as fast as you would want me to. Alright. And the map is built, well, the first map in that case. So I'm just gonna keep coding this. So I am changing. So I not changing. I am making the live system. So actually, I have set lives to 100. Um, I'm just gonna make uh a message. New message. When I receive the message damage. Damage basic. Uh so I'm just gonna name it basic damage. Um it's gonna be like change lives by -5 because the basic is gonna be -5. So oh no, I'm losing lives. Okay. So alright. So when clicked forever if lives equals 0, if lives equal 0, or because it can go below that, lives equals 0. How do I make the or again? I want to do or. Oh yeah, or here. Here. If actually, I'm gonna make another if. Big if. If lives, no, not. If lives is less than 0, if lives is less than 0, I understand. I'm used to delayed responses. Alright, got it. If lives equals 0, if lives equals less than 0, I mean set lives to 0. So like if I set the lives to like, so if I start this, if I set the lives to -8, the lives are 0. There. Alright. Because I don't want it going below. Why do you keep spamming random letters, credit? Why do you keep spamming random letters? Why? I don't understand. If lives equals 0, then hide the path. If lives equals 0, then broadcast something. Broadcast. Can I change what message 1 is called? It's gonna be message 1. I'm just gonna use that one. When I receive message 1, hide. So if I get to, if I go over here to backdrop, I'm gonna make it like set labs to 0. Click the flag. Oh yeah. When the flag is clicked, gotta show. Flag click show. Okay. Now change lives. I keep taking damage from the basic. And the path goes away and then thingy happens. Alright. Now in the backdrop. Oh, hi, Broccoli89. Wait, I have an idea. Maybe you can make it public so I can remix it and then send the link on your Scratch profile in a few days. Just leave instruction comments or something. How do I do that? How do I make comments? I don't know how to do that. I don't. I will make it public. I don't know if it's gonna be at the end of this, but I will make it public, and yeah, that's an idea. You can. I'm just trying. So the idea what I'm trying to do is I'm just trying to make a tower defense game where the enemy goes through the path, goes here, take damage, like those basic, the fast enemy, those tank enemies, and that kind of stuff. You know, basic, and there's different paths, and like enemy goes here, takes damage, and like towers, like cannons and stuff. I don't know. That's what I'm gonna do. Backdrop. So I'm gonna make a new backdrop. It's gonna be grass. But I'm gonna make a new. Wait, no. New backdrop, and it's gonna be the game oval backdrop. So it's just gonna say game oval. Alright, so let me just make wards. Type black wards. Pixel. That's gonna say game oval. And it's gonna say more than just game oval, but it's gonna say like game oval. Died from whatever enemy you died from. Right click and then choose comment. Right click. Where do I right click? Wait. Oh, right click on code. Is that what you mean? So I can. Oh, okay, I see. Thanks, I see. Alright. Backdrop. So the game over backdrop. It's gonna say game over, died from blah blah blah. Right now it's only basic, so that's all you can die from. Game over. And there's gonna be buttons that say we try and stuff, or menus and yeah. I'm thinking like if you've ever played TDS on Roblox where you can buy towers. Not a game where you have to roll for towers, you're gonna buy towers. That's what I'm gonna do. So code. With live 0 broadcast message 1 and looks switch backdrop to no not wait, I don't wanna wait. Why did I put the wait part there? To backdrop 1. I'm gonna name the backdrop. I'm gonna name the backdrop game oval because well yeah. Oh hello Saturn. Hola, how you doing? Alright, so when also I'm gonna go over here when flag clicked, switch backdrop to grass. And now kaboom, grass. Now I can take basic damage. Kaboom, game over. I can set lives to like -8, and bam, gone. And it's 0 because I don't want to go. Can you tell me the name of the game so I can find it later? Right here, it's Scratch Tower Fence. That's the name. Hi Zebra Uploads. How you doing? Okay. So now I probably should make the mechanic of the basic since I got nothing. So I will make clones because I'm not gonna make a ton of sprites of the same thing to do the cloning. Guys, killing the messages. Guys, okay, yeah, the message is all delayed. There was latency. I don't know how to fix it. It could be if I broadcast from YouTube and not from OBS, but I still use OBS as like the streaming service. That may change it, but I don't know. So when I do it, it's gonna go to actually when it go, it's gonna hide. So when it's gonna hide. So if I click, it hides. It's just gonna hide. I'm gonna place it up here. It's gonna hide, and now it's gonna like when I receive new message. Wave 1. Okay, when I see wave 1, so I can put all the code in the backdrop here. When flag clicked, broadcast wave 1. Because wave 1 happened and now zombies are gonna come. So if I click it hides and clone things are gonna come around. So when I receive wave 1, create clone of myself. Okay, we'll like if it's wait, where are the clones? Oh, yeah, that's where the clones are. I see. So when flag clicked, delete. Delete clones. Delete the clone. Right. What if I don't have delete this clone? The clone still gets deleted. Okay. Alright. I'm just gonna put the hide later. So when I start as a clone, you will going to show. Should I make a block like how long on like the interval? Can you maybe type in chat what your username is? Because too many Scratch Tower Fences. That's it. It's Novak too. It says Novak when you spell it, but it's Novak. Okay, so when it shows a clone, it shows, and it's going to like go to here. It's gonna go when it shows a clone. Let me go make it big. That's big. Oh, right. Wait, no, that makes it small. When it shows a clone. It's gonna go right there. That's what they spawn. I could do 40. Alright, that works. When I start as a clone, go here and show. So start and also wait, when flag click, I'm gonna make it go over here. Go here. Now it's gonna hide. So when it starts, there's a clone. create clone myself. But if I I'm a many. Thanks. I'm a follow. Alright. Thanks. Create clone myself. And if I do that twice, it will make 2 clones. 1, 2. Alright. So it's gonna go at an interval. So it's gonna be like wave 1. Should I make it a block or something? I make it a block. Create a block. Block name. Wave 1 basics. Define it. So wave 1 basics, define it. Wait. When I receive wave 1 basics. Alright, so wave 1 basics, what is this? Create clone. When you get wave 1 basics, you want to create a clone. And there's going to be intervals on this. So I'm going to make it like, it's going to be like, they're going to go across the map. So we're just going to go, they're going to come here, they're going to go up here, go up here, go up here. And I want them to be at the same speed, so calculations. Alright, so right here, it's going to go. Okay, so now it's gonna go. You're gonna glide over here. Actually, no, I wanna show. You're gonna glide over here. See? Gonna glide over there. Nice. So you're gonna glide over there. And look, right now, it goes pretty fast. And that's like, it's not a speedy titan or whatever. 5 seconds. That seem good? Look. It's gliding, it's going over. Alright, seems good. And should we have it glide there and wait? Should glide there and wait. Because then I'm gonna have, like, if I have it glide then to there, like, let's say then have it glide over here, it's gonna wanna, wait, what? Oh, so then it's, after, then it glides. Alright, okay. So then it's gonna glide. See ya. Comment on winning projects. I comment on one of your projects. The name on my scratch count is Vin Dooley. Anyways, gotta go. Hope I can. Thanks. Alright. So I'm just gonna glide over there. And how fast? Not 5 seconds, because, well, 5 seconds wouldn't make sense. Wait a second. I don't need wave 1 basics. I don't need that block. I don't need it. Alright. So it's gonna glide over there, but if it's gliding over here. Wait, what? No, I don't want that right now. I don't want that right now. I just want one clone. It's going down the path, and then it goes faster. Which I don't want that. So I gotta do some calculations. Yes, I'm doing math. So it's so like, let's see here. I'm gonna do the math. So I won't be able to read your comments since I'm doing the math on my phone. and I read the comments there. So yeah, I'll be back. So time for the calculations. Okay. So it goes from like, so if it goes from 240 to negatives. So if it goes 190 in 5 seconds, 190 divided by 5 means it has a speed of 38. So, a basic. It has a speed of 38. When you start as a clone, add comment. Speed 38. Alright, so the speed is 38. Now I know that. So if it's going to go down this, it's going to have a speed of that. So it's going, let's see here. So 140 plus 80 is simply just 220. And now that divided by 38. 5.75947368. So it's gonna take 5.78947368. So now it goes down here. And it goes the same speed. Now, look, we don't need those exact calculations. We're gonna round. 5.79. Look, no one's gonna notice that I had those decimals. See? It's fine. Technically, should we do it to make it more exact? Yeah, I'm gonna do that. 47368. There. It's correct. Yeah. Alright, so let's look if there's any comments. Was there any comments in the past when I've been doing this? No, there was not. Okay, time to keep doing more calculations. That's gonna glide over there, so I'm gonna go bring it over here. The Y is 80. The X is gonna be like, I don't know, 50. Alright. Which means, in total, it goes, so we're gonna have it glide over here. So in total, it goes 200. 200 divided by 38, 5.26, and some other stuff. So 5.263157889. So now spawns. It goes down the path. We going down the path. It goes up. Goes up. Now it's gonna go down here. Now it's gonna stop and go down there later. We'll get to that. So now it's gonna go down here. It's gonna have the same, this thingy, the Y negative 80. Alright. So if we in total, because the thing is, 180 plus 80 is 260. Now divide that by 38 and you get yourself a big number. Not gonna say the whole thing because it's just long. Okay, 6.8421056626. Now I can say it because I just can. Alright. Well, that's the end of those calculations, and now I can go back. Was there any comments? No. Guys, I have 3 viewers besides me. Crazy. This is the time where I'm gonna tell you to smash that subscribe button because I'm trying to hit like 500. How many am I at? I'm at 492 subs. Come on, you gotta get me to 500, please. Alright. So let's do it. Okay, so now it's after that it's gonna broadcast basic damage. So it's going down the entire path. Hi. Oh, hi, Izzy. Uh, hi. Hello there. Sorry, there's latency. Yeah, I'm here. There's latency, okay? There's latency, okay? There's latency. It's delayed. It's delayed, okay? Sorry, it's delayed, okay? Alright. Oh, hi, Adrian Patterson. I don't know. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but hey, I know. So, now repeat like 10 times. There's gonna be like 10 enemies, I guess. I don't know. Um, it's gonna repeat 20 times just so I can see it kill me because, yeah. Should it wait 1 second? How long should it wait? When it starts, create a clone, wait. I am a skilled scratcher and I might help this project with tips. Also, my username is Talatum. Got it. Got it. Well, so I already have one person doing it. Now I have two people helping me. Yeah. Alright. Got it. Got it. My username is Novak2. That's Nowak 2. So, yeah. Oop. So, yeah. Now I can send out the enemies. So many. Okay, that's actually not as spaced out as I thought it would be. Yeah, I thought it'd be more spaced out. Just tell me what you need help with and I'll respond. Got it. Okay. Alright. Now, no, I'm taking damage from these enemies. Yeah. They gotta hide. Oh, yeah. Whoops. One day. Okay, I'm gonna redo that. Hello, Amy's. Okay. Well, I'm in Cape Cod, so I don't know if that affects me. Okay. I'm gonna save. Come on, just go to the end. And I'm taking damage. They get hidden. Alright, nice. Live slowly depleting. Okay, I'm thinking there's only gonna be 10. Because, yeah, I think that's enough. And they keep going through, go through, and game over. Alright, great. There's probably should be a start button to start it because, yeah. So, how long should. 2 seconds. What if it waits 2 seconds? I think that's too spaced out. Oh, Scratch, bro. Scratch, bro. Scratch is good. Fine, do you want me to do Geometry Dash? Bruh. No, it's not, bro. Scratch is good, okay? Stop. Okay, there. So now you can't die in wave one. There's no possible way you can die in wave one. Unless you remix it and do like and then you do like this and then you just have a big line. But it is useful to use custom blocks to reduce block usage. It is that pink red section. Yeah, I know I know what blocks are. I will use them later on if I want to do like patterns in the Emily spawning. I know how that works, but for now I'm not using any because I just don't. I'm just not using them right now. I use them later though, so that's it. Okay. Now that is it. So that's wave one. I think there should be a start button. Yeah, I'm gonna make a start button. So when I receive wave one, so I don't know why I did when flag clicked broadcast wave one. It's gonna be some start button. So paint. But I know it's delayed. Okay, I don't know. I tried to fix it. Like I fixed it a bit, so now it's like not delayed like 15 seconds or like not and 20. That's when we delayed like I don't know shorter. It's delayed shorter now. So yeah, it's better. Start game button. Alright. Got a start game button. Gonna make it bigger. And now it's gonna have like an outline up around it. Fill with nothing. It's gonna be a bubble actually. Yeah, a bubble. I don't know. Wait, wait. I can use this thing and then I saw this one time. I can do this and then I calmed it in your profile. Got it. Uh, how do I make a bubble? Like, I'm trying to make like a bubble. I think I might know. Fill it with nothing. Outline black right here. Wait, no, that's the text. Wait, no. Yeah. Wait. I don't want to affect the text. No, it's delayed like 3 minutes. No, it is not. This is not delayed 3 minutes. Maybe you see me replying like way after because like I'm focusing on this and not the chat as much, so it's not delayed 3 minutes, okay? Whoa, bubble to what's bubble to that to dick reference? Like what's that? I've never heard of that. What is that? Why did I just do that? I want to unselect from it and then do it. This is so annoying. Make it 5. Okay, I just do this. It's fine. It's fine. I can do this. Bam, centered. A useful tip of making thumbnails is 1. Make a sprite with a thumbnail. Make sure it is what's a thumbnail? What's that? I don't know what a thumbnail is. Do you mean a backdrop? Yeah, I don't know what that is. To make a variable called timer and for the spray only. Oh, that's what. Okay. What's the, why timer? Oh, to make it like, the wavelength. I get it. I get the timer thing. Okay. Got it. So there's gonna be a start game button. Spray code. When this spray clicked, or when space key clicked, it's gonna hide. Wait, actually, it's gonna be like if, because, well, because look, if I don't do the ifs, if I don't do the ifs, hide, and then I can make it like, if I can like broadcast the stuff, and like if I do this, then like, and if it's like this, then if I do like wave 1, look, this will happen. I can tap space like multiple times, and a lot of enemies will come out, which I don't want. So when space key pressed, it's gonna, or sprite clicked. It's the thumbnail is a thing to show you game before you play it. Ah, so 3. Add a block called when timer is highlighted. Then when called add a block called when timer is highlighted. Put timer into that empty space. Okay, I'll follow the instructions. I just gotta do some coding. Okay, so broadcast wave 1. So when the spray, so one flag clicked. So when I receive, wait, so I'm gonna when I'm gonna make available. When I can't explain it here, so I'm gonna make a project. Okay, got it. Make available. It's gonna be, I don't know. I'm just gonna call it A. If A equals 1, right? If A equals 1, then do it. So set, and it's gonna be when A equals 0. When set A to 0. Whenever, no, change A to 0. When flag clicks, set A. So, and I do not want to show A. That's something else. So start. And now I can split, and it doesn't work multiple times. But now what if I, oh wait, no. Also, when flag clicked, you gotta show. Alright. So technically, if you click like your space and click the spot at the same time, I think you could get double the wave. But for now, it isn't working like that. So yeah, good. This game is doing pretty good now. So you can so this is the game so far. You can like click the flag. This comes up. You can click space. Wait, what? So you can click it. You can left click it. Oh, you have to click. You have to click the paint on it. Or you can do this, and then you can see your enemies. Guys, can you see those enemies really goodly? Oh, yeah, you can see those. You can see those. So I gotta change something. So just gonna fill it with black. I could fill this whole thing with black, right? But now when you click, but now when you click the flag, there's gonna be some black. We don't want that, so it's gonna go backwards, like backwards. Wait, what? Oh, that makes the sprite go backwards. Oh, wait a second. Okay. I have an idea. So paint big cube. This wants to go. Ooh, okay. So one flag this. Create clone. When I start as a clone, gonna hide. And now switch costume to I don't know. Convert to bitmap. I was making it not in bitmap. Yeah, okay. Why bitmap? What's wrong? Why can't I make it vector? So switch costume to that, and it's gonna hide. Okay. So it's gonna go away when it happens. So when the sprite clicks, hide. Go to back. So when I start clicking, if it gets clicked, it goes away. It's gonna when it gets clicked, it broadcasts hide. Broadcasts hide. Same over here. Duplicate, it broadcasts hide. And now when I receive, I have my project ready. Comment to the new profile. Got it. Alright. I'll check on that later. So when I receive hide, it's gonna hide. Of course. So I can start it. Click here. What if I don't? What if I go to front layer? Right? Wait, no. What? When the sprite clicked, it's tied. Okay. Now what if I go to back layer? I see. Uh, dang. How do I make this thing? So it's in the back. But okay, I have a question. How do I wanted to make this go to the back. Wait a second. I have an idea. I have an idea. Costume, this, select, fill it with. Wait. Hide. Alright, so close in the background. Oh, hope you click on it later. Hope you check on it later. Okay, got it. I don't want this going to background. When the flag click, go back by one. And I'll go back on the one. Go back by two. Wait, no. Go back. Oh, yeah. Yo, crazy. Alright. Now, I'm gonna just quickly do something. Alright, bye. Click this. No. Forever. When? Yeah, it's gonna be temporary. It's gonna be temporary. Forever. That's gonna happen. Now, fill the screen up. I'm just gonna do this. Okay. Backdrop. What's the colors of this? That's not helpful. Wait a second. 2777. 2777. 27. 27. 77. 73. This one was. Boom. Delete. Make big square. Make big square. Yay. We made it. Okay. Stop getting sidetracked. Alright. I have an idea. Guys, so I'll be right back. I'm just gonna go to the bathroom. I'll be right back, okay? So just hang in there. Alright, what up, guys? I am back. I'm back. So, when flag clicked, hide. And when I receive hide, gotta show. Reverse psychology, am I right? Front land. You gotta show. Gonna show. Yeah. Hmm. Hmm. Huh. Eh. Eh. What? Whoa. It's gonna work. Whoa. Go to front layer. Okay. Uh, go to back. I don't know. Bruh. I have an idea. I don't need the clone. I don't need this. I don't need it. I don't need that. I have an idea. Backwards. Great. We did it. Alright, that was really easy. I did not have to take that long. Okay, find time for more code. Hide. And when I receive, no, it's not gonna hide it. It's gonna hide the live. It's gonna show lives. When I got the hide. Hide the people iDogs. So if I don't reply super fast, it has a lot of latency, which means it's delayed. So things is happening here before it happens on your screen. It's like, I don't know, 5-10 seconds latency. I'm sorry. Okay. Actually, I'm gonna make a pinned comment. There's a delay. Sorry. Okay. Pin it. There. I pinned it. Okay. Let me just. What should I do next? In this, what should I do? Okay, so next, should I make more enemies? Or should I make this thing called a cannon? It does damage. Crazy, right? So, should I make a cannon? Or should I make more waves and more enemies and stuff? What do you guys think? Gonna wait a bit for that because, well, there's a delay. There's a delay, so I'm gonna wait. Okay, I'm bored. I'm bored already. Wait, so no, let me just test something. I'm supposed to hide. Oh, that's a show. Uh, yeah, and the zombies come, and it takes a while, and yeah. Okay, Okay, so after all this happens, you gotta. If I do this, and then I'm just gonna do it like. I'm just gonna make it so it shows the available A. I start the game. Nice. Going. And if after 10 spawn. Then it shows. Okay, fine. Okay, so better idea. So it's when all the zombies, so when all of them die. Okay, I'm gonna make a block of some damage. No, actually, I'm gonna make a new sprite. It's gonna be like a cannon. A cannon. So convert to bitmap. It's gonna be uh uh black. Nope. I'm trying to make it. Which button do I do to make it circular? Which button? Shift and Alt? Yeah, okay, good. I figured it out. Shift and Alt, okay. We're gonna name it Cannon. Alright, guys, this name is Cannon. I'm so funny. I'm not. Okay, so put that in the center. And now make a rectangle. It's gonna be brown. Is that brown? No. It's gotta be brighter brown. Hmm. Yeah. 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 You know, I don't think Cannon being that. Okay. Bop. Bop. Nope. It's gotta be brighter. Nope. That's not good. Gotta go until we got something good. Just gonna make it big like that. That's great. It's not it. That's a better word, I guess. Alright. That's what I'm looking for. And if we convert it, it's vector. And we erase some of this. And we erase this. That's a long cannon. Oh. So guys, I'm gonna have to stop this in like 10 minutes or something. Alright. So it's gonna have to stop in that after that. Cause I only have like not all the time in the world to do this, so after a bit I'm gonna have to stop, and that's gonna be in like 10 minutes, alright? I might not post it today. I might post it some other day. Okay. But I don't have all the time left. What? What is this? What? What is that? Weird. No idea what that was. Hey, flip it vertically so it aims better. Don't know what you mean by that. What do you mean by flip it vertically? So this costume is gonna be cannon. Okay. Now there's gonna be some code. When flag clicked, this is gonna be some hard coding actually. This code is gonna be hard. Oh hey, Penball Vmixo SPO underscore PS. Hi, how you doing? Okay, when flag clicked, it's gonna go somewhere. It's gonna go right here. Yeah, it's gonna go right here. Go to there, I guess. Okay. Now it's going to, I don't know. Path. When the spray clicked, it's going to. Are you good at coding? I'm decent. But now I'm trying to make it like the tower defense game. It's gonna take a while, and I don't have all the time. I don't have all the time. So for now, I'm just gonna do like when you click somewhere, shoots. But I don't know how to do that. So when the sprite clicked, broadcast, shoot. Easy. Simple. When this sprite clicked, broadcast, shoot. When I receive shoot, you want 500 subs. Wait, what? Yeah, you want, yeah, wait, what? You got 500 subs, I guess, like. Let's go! Guys, this is crazy. You saw that thing? Sub goal 500? I just got the 500 subs. This is crazy. 8 subs from the stream, bro. This is actually crazy. 500 subs. Thank you guys for giving me that. Thank you. Thank you guys. I'm at 500 subs. Now I gotta change the sub goal. Gotta change the sub goal real quick. Sorry, let me do that. Let me change the sub goal, okay? I gotta do something. Text. It's gonna be 5:05. Uh, so 1 second. I'm not gonna be doing this code right now. I need to do something. I need to change this. Second, guys. Gotta change some, and I got to my sub goal. I need to fix this. I gotta change the sub goal. 1 second. Sub goal 500 subs. Alright, guys. Nice. So, guys, do you see the chain? Okay, so I'm changing it. I'm changing it, okay? Sorry. Nice, 500,000 subs. Why do you make a clone instead of another sprite? What do you mean? What do you mean, why don't I make a clone? Wait, why? I don't want A to be shown. No, 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 no. What do you mean? Why do you make a clone instead of another sprite? I don't know what you mean by that. Like, wait, what? What? Why did I take 55 lives? That shouldn't true. So, what do you mean by that? So, Sprite, I did make clones. I made clones. I did. I made these guys clones. I created clones. Hi.com. Hi. Yeah, I don't know what you mean. So, okay. When I receive shoot, I'm gonna get cannonball. New costume. Wait, no. No. It's gonna be new paint. Happy 202 subs. What? What do you mean? We're not at 202 subs. Wait, am I? Right now it says I'll refresh it. 1 second, I'll refresh. 1 second. You said 202? What? What? Guys, I'm at 202 subs. That's crazy. We actually might get to like 500 something. 500 like 10. That's crazy though. That's 18 subs. Wow. Okay. Oh. So let's make a cannonball. That's too big. Just a comparison. Cannonball. That seems good. Alright. Time for some coding. Alright. When I receive shoot, create clone. No. When it start as a clone, switch costume to costume 1. We're gonna name that 2. Cannonball. All caps, because why not? And, wait, what? 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 Oh, yeah. You should be shooting. Oh. Oh. Yeah, I gotta do that. It's gonna glide to, I don't know, 50, 50. Wait, start the game. And we make a lot of cannonballs. Okay. So now, somehow, I got a click there. Okay, wait, this is actually not as hard as I thought. Okay, maybe it is. I don't know. Distance. Uh, touching. Distance to mouse pointer. Hmm? Huh? What? Hi, Mackie. How you doing? This is the time of the stream when I tell you guys, subscribe. Okay? I'm trying to reach like 5 subscribers. Subscribe, guys, okay? Trust me, okay? Subscribe. Okay, subscribe. Okay. How do I detect where the mouse pointer is? Ooh, I see mouse. Okay. Mouse down. Oh, guys. I'm gonna be ending the stream, okay? So, I hope you had a great time watching the stream. And thanks for helping me get in the 500 subscribers. That was pretty nice. So, I'm gonna stop this stream. I'm not gonna post it